Alright, boys, got a little trade recap for y'all. We lost about, nah, I'm trolling. Uh, we hit about 134 ticks. I'm gonna call it 135. 135 takes targeting these London lows. I left a lot of money on the table. Could have really ran it down here for about 320 takes, but take the dub and call it a day, right? Now, with the way the market opened with this little choppy structure on NQ and this little choppy structure on ES, I wanted to see a break of structure, particularly. I mean, not really this 5 minute break of structure on ES, but I wanted to see something a little bit more down to confirm my hypothesis, as I like to say. Now, we obviously had some draws towards the upside. If you go into the 1 hour time frame, we have these prominent draws, but at the same time, we also have draws towards the downside, like these session lows right here and these session lows right here. Now, in my head, and there's also this low right here, which I didn't even like really mark out, just due to the fact that, fuck, due to the fact that we're so like we opened so choppy, so I didn't really know what I wanted to see out of market. And honestly, like shit, I could have really caught. No, I'm not catching 600 ticks, but that would have been insane. But I tried to play it safe due to market opening like this. Now I'll explain why I decided to enter this trade where I entered it. Now, obviously, we got the sweep of the London high here. I wanted to see an inversion of this 1 minute gap on NQ due to what's it called? Due to us like touching it multiple times and getting bullish retracements out of it. I feel like if we got a proper break of structure and this inversion with this sweep of high time frame, with this high time frame sweep, that makes for some good shorts. Now on ES, another thing that confirmed it for me was if I scroll to the 5 minute chart, what it looks like to me is we have an overall downtrend and we're filling in these 15-minute bearish value gaps and we're getting reactions out of them. And when on ES, I really, even though that we didn't really have like a high time frame SMT, I just wanted to see what we really did. I mean, making, what's it called? Fuck's it called? From here to here, from the London high, right? The London high on ES is at about like 2 a.m. maybe. So like there to there, while ES has this making ES the leading index. You get what I mean? ES is the leading index for today. So with ES, I really, more than like any sort of inversion or anything on the 1 minute, obviously we have this 1 minute inversion that I wanted to see, but I also really just wanted to see this 1 minute inversion happened after we took the trade. I wanted to see a break of structure, a massive break of structure on ES, which we ended up getting at about 844. So that's like where I really entered. I entered halfway through the candle at 844, stopped above this 1 minute high, take profit at the London low for about 134 ticks. I could have really run it down to the Asia low, as I've said multiple times, but with the way the market opened on ES, just look at me ES, like that looks like shit. I'm not trying to risk it. And that's the trade recap. I appreciate y'all boys. I'll have more videos out this weekend for y'all. I think I want to give an outlook on the crypto market, and I also want to just just some trading advice in general, like psychology. So that will be out on the weekend. I appreciate y'all. Y'all boys have a good one.